A future transformed, conquering inherited diseases and crop failures. Imagine a world without the fear of inherited diseases. Picture a future where crop failures are a distant memory. This is the promise of a future sculpted by the combined power of artificial intelligence and CRISPR gene editing. AI and CRISPR are not just tools, they are partners in a revolution. They are rewriting the rules of life itself, offering a future where we can correct genetic flaws and enhance resilience against environmental threats. For generations, humanity has grappled with the burden of inherited diseases. Conditions passed down through families, casting a shadow over lives even before they begin. We face the uncertainty of agriculture, vulnerable to the whims of nature, with crop failures leading to food shortages and economic hardship. But now on the horizon of scientific exploration, a new dawn is breaking. AI and CRISPR are not mere incremental advancements. They represent a paradigm shift in our ability to understand and manipulate the building blocks of life. With AI's computational prowess and CRISPR's precision gene editing capabilities, we stand at the cusp of a future where inherited diseases can be eradicated and our agricultural systems are fortified against the challenges of a changing climate. The convergence of these two transformative technologies is ushering in an era of unprecedented possibilities. It's a future where the fear of genetic disease fades, replaced by hope and the promise of healthy lives. It's a future where agriculture is no longer a gamble against nature, but a symphony of scientific precision, ensuring food security for all. CRISPR, the dawn of gene editing. CRISPR, an acronym for clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats, might sound like a mouthful, but it represents an elegant and revolutionary tool in the world of genetics. Imagine a pair of molecular scissors capable of targeting specific sequences within DNA, the blueprint of life. That's CRISPR in essence. This revolutionary technology, adapted from a naturally occurring defense mechanism found in bacteria, allows scientists to edit genes with remarkable precision. Like a skilled surgeon operating at the molecular level, CRISPR can snip out faulty sections of DNA, replacing them with healthy sequences, effectively correcting genetic defects. The potential applications of CRISPR are vast and awe-inspiring. In medicine, CRISPR holds the promise of curing inherited diseases like cystic fibrosis, Huntington's disease, and sickle cell anemia. It offers new avenues for treating cancer and developing novel gene therapies. Beyond human health, CRISPR has profound implications for agriculture. Scientists can use CRISPR to develop crops that are resistant to pests, diseases, and harsh environmental conditions. This could revolutionize our food production systems, making them more sustainable and resilient in the face of climate change. AI, the guiding force behind CRISPR precision. CRISPR, while powerful, faces a significant challenge: the sheer complexity of the genome. The human genome, for example, is a vast library containing billions of letters of genetic code. Identifying the precise location of a single gene within this intricate tapestry, let alone a specific mutation within that gene, is a monumental task. This is where artificial intelligence steps in as a game changer. AI, with its unparalleled ability to analyze massive datasets and identify patterns, acts as a supercharged GPS for CRISPR. AI algorithms can sift through mountains of genomic data, pinpointing the exact location of target genes and identifying potential off-target effects. Think of AI as a master detective, meticulously analyzing clues within the vast genetic code to guide CRISPR to its target with pinpoint accuracy. By leveraging machine learning, a subset of AI, these algorithms can learn from past CRISPR experiments, continuously improving their accuracy and efficiency in predicting optimal gene editing strategies. AI's ability to analyze and interpret complex genomic data is revolutionizing CRISPR technology. It's making gene editing more precise, efficient, and ultimately safer for both medical and agricultural applications. Section 4, Medical Marvels CRISPR and AI rewrite the story of genetic diseases. The combination of CRISPR and AI is ushering in a new era of medical breakthroughs, offering hope for patients and families affected by genetic diseases. One of the most striking examples is the successful treatment of sickle cell disease, a debilitating blood disorder that affects millions worldwide. In 2020, Victoria Gray, a young woman from Mississippi, made history as the first person to be effectively cured of sickle cell disease. Using CRISPR gene editing, AI played a crucial role in this groundbreaking achievement, guiding CRISPR to the precise location within her genome responsible for the disease. The process involved extracting Victoria's stem cells and using CRISPR to modify the faulty gene responsible for producing abnormal hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen. The modified stem cells were then transplanted back into her body, where they began producing healthy red blood cells, effectively curing her of the disease. Victoria's story is just the beginning. Clinical trials are underway for other genetic disorders, including beta thalassemia, a blood disorder that reduces the production of hemoglobin, and Leber congenital amaurosis, a rare genetic eye disease that causes severe vision loss. AI's role in these trials extends beyond target identification. AI algorithms are being used to monitor patients' responses to treatment, identify potential side effects, and personalize treatment plans. Section 5, Cultivating the Future, AI-powered CRISPR for climate-resilient crops. As the global population continues to grow, so too does the demand for food. Climate change, with its unpredictable weather patterns, droughts, and floods, poses a significant threat to our ability to feed the world. Here again, the partnership of AI and CRISPR offers a beacon of hope. Scientists are using AI-powered CRISPR to develop crops that are more resilient to the challenges of a changing climate. By analyzing vast data sets of plant genomes and environmental factors, AI algorithms can identify genes that confer resistance to drought, heat, pests, and diseases. Imagine fields of wheat that can withstand prolonged droughts, rice paddies that thrive in flood conditions, and coffee plantations resistant to devastating fungal diseases. These are just a few examples of the transformative potential of AI-guided CRISPR in agriculture. Beyond resilience, AI and CRISPR can be used to enhance the nutritional content of crops, creating varieties that are richer in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This could have a profound impact on global health, particularly in regions where malnutrition is prevalent. The implications of AI-powered CRISPR for agriculture extend far beyond increased yields. It has the potential to revolutionize our food production systems, making them more sustainable, resilient, and capable of feeding a growing population in the face of climate change.